In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR code in Adobe Firefly. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable QR code that points people straight to your link. All you need is a web browser and the URL you want to share, like a website, landing page, or portfolio. Keep that link handy so you can paste it when the time comes. First, open your browser and head to Google. Using Google is a quick way to get to the official page without memorizing any addresses, and it helps you avoid lookalike sites. Once the page loads, click into the search box and type Adobe Firefly. Firefly is Adobe's AI-powered creative platform, and one of its handiest tools is a built-in QR code generator. On the results page, look for the official Adobe Firefly site. You'll typically see the domain fireflyadobe.com or an adobe.com link that leads to Firefly. Click that result to open the site. If you see multiple results, choose the one from Adobe rather than third-party pages or ads. This keeps you on the trusted, up-to-date tool. When Firefly opens, find the Quick Actions section. Depending on the layout, you might see it in the top navigation or featured prominently on the homepage. Click Quick Actions to view a set of simple, streamlined tools designed for fast tasks. In the Quick Actions list, select Generate QR Code. This opens a focused workspace specifically for turning a link into a QR code. It's straightforward, no complex settings to worry about, just a clean field where you'll add your URL. Now paste your link into the input box. Include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so the QR points exactly where you expect. A few tips here can save you headaches. Use a stable, permanent URL rather than something that might change. Make sure the destination is accessible to your audience. And if you're using a shortened link, confirm it's from a trusted service. As soon as you paste, Firefly will generate a QR preview on the screen. This means the code is ready to be scanned and used in places like flyers, product packaging, slides, or social profiles. That's it. You've navigated to Firefly through Google, opened Quick Actions, chosen the QR generator, and pasted your link to produce a ready-to-use code. Keep your link tidy and clear, and remember that the QR simply encodes whatever you provide, so double-check the URL before sharing it widely. If the interface looks slightly different for you, don't worry. Adobe updates layouts from time to time, but the flow remains the same. Get to Firefly, open Quick Actions, choose Generate QR Code, and paste your link. You're all set to share your content more easily.